Don't make my life feel bad. adore you. My responsibility is to worship and adore you. My responsibility is to tell the whole world about you. Oh, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. Can you just lift those hands to him and worship him this noon? Oh, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. Oh, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. I worship your name. Lion of the tribe of Judah, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. I worship. Lift your hands, lift your voice to him, the King of glory, the doer of all things. Lion of Judah, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. I worship your name. You are you, my sustainer. You never change. You won't stop now. Oh, from east to west, not to south, you're ruling all the earth, master of the universe. How excellent is your name, Jesus, Jesus. I worship your name. How glorious is your name, oh Son of the living God. I worship your name. Lift your hands to him. Say, Lion of Judah, I worship your name. I worship your name. Lion of the tribe of Judah, Aguna Chamba, I worship your name. The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Lift your voice and worship him. We worship your name, Lion of the tribe of Judah. With everything within me, my body, my mind, my soul, I worship you. Let go of the end, I am a barado. La posta di end, emotion di end. We worship you. Obinigwe, Oyanebeka, Aguna Chemba. Oh, lift your voice and worship him. I worship your name. I worship your name. The Bible said, let they that worship him in spirit and in truth. I worship your name.